Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Belizean coleslaw. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready for this simple recipe. You'll need 1 small head of cabbage, 2 medium carrots, and 1 small onion. For the dressing, gather mayonnaise, yellow mustard, white vinegar, and some sugar. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our vegetables. Start by finely shredding your small head of cabbage. You can use a sharp knife for thin strips or a mandolin for consistency. Then, grate your 2 carrots using the larger side of a box grater. Finally, dice your small onion into very fine pieces. This fine dicing ensures the onion flavor blends perfectly without being overpowering in your coleslaw. Now, let's create the signature creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Stir in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar until well blended. Season the dressing with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and creamy. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold your shredded cabbage, grated carrots, and diced onion into the creamy dressing until everything is thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your Belizean coleslaw for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious. Serve it as a refreshing side dish. Also, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.